Exactly. That's what I thought.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.
She hit me like glitter. Saw that thing so beautiful. Glitter. She just hit my heart, oh. Glitter. Full force and she got me like glitter. I be like glitter. Baby, glitter. Why you so fine? Glitter. Glitter. Got to make you mine. Glitter. Glitter. So hard to find. Baby, like, oh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it, and she ain't even show nothing. She be walking around so confident, so heaven sent. I think she was meant to knock some daylight. Like, girl, you so fine. Sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the heels or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running out and in. Man, they want to sin, talking deadly sin with Mrs. Lady. I don't understand why she hit them like girl, you knock him dead. Oh, how you do the things you do? Baby, you knock him dead. I always say that.
Hello. So I'm at Monica's house and doing the most obnoxious thing ever, watching myself on her TV. Not my idea, her idea. She won't turn me off the TV, Monica, and we're playing Uno now and enjoying a glass of wine. Green?
I go first.
What are we stacking? Girl,
What? I don't even know what cards you got.
so we stacking. We're stacking numbers. You called it.
Come on, I'm still here.
How do you guys play? Do you stack your numbers? I think that's a dangerous way to play. Oh! Oh, we're starting early. Okay. Pick up 2. We're starting early. Okay. That's fine. No! You already put it down.
Fine, remember?
Oh, we reversed. Okay, yes. She's right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
Uno.
I don't like it. I don't like it. Me. They're both against me. Clearly. Wait. Don't hit my cards like that. Oh my god.
Uno out.
Wow. Zoe just killed both of us. No one wants to play with you.
Y'all gotta play the game.
You freaking cheated.
No, I didn't.
And you were really bad to your mother.
2 is the top.
That was disrespectful. That was super disrespectful. Hello. So I would like to announce that I won.
She cheated.
No, I did not. I won the second round of Uno. Exactly. That's what I thought. Exactly. Second round of Uno, I won.
This woman is a cheater.
Oh, I'm a cheater. You cheated the first time. She had some ridiculous rules, okay? Ridiculous rules, and I still won. Ridiculous rules, and I still won. How about that? Your rules are rigged.
No, they're Uno.
They're your rules. Ha! Ha! Still. You had a whole bottle of white, and you just let me sit here and drink this red. You did not. Monica played me. She played me. That's fine. That's fine. Anyway, I won Uno. Cheater! Everyone take note. Take note. Uno queen over here.
That's all.
Okay. That's all. Monica has entered a new game into the chat. I don't know what this is. If someone could tell me. Ah! Up here. Blend in, don't get caught. Why did she say I'll be good at the game, Zoe?
You're fake, you're convincing, and you're manipulative.
Manipulative?
Yes.
Rude. You added that in. She did not say that. Oh. I will not confirm nor deny if those things are true.
They're true. They're so true.
How do you play Moco?
Are you performing something?
Oh, you don't like your voice. She doesn't like her voice on camera, so I'm going to have to find a way to maneuver during the game. What's wrong with your voice? You have a very pretty voice. I hate my
I
fucking
hate
voice.
my voice on camera.
Same.
It makes me sound like.
Well, then you need to stop talking like that, because you do that on purpose. Like, so you flip over the card. You can't let anyone see your card. Okay, this card. Hold on. Okay, so we're picking this city right here, LA, and this is a test around. So someone has to basically, if they don't have the card, they have to act like they have the card and say things about that city. Okay. I love that.
How about we do a test round?
That was something. Oh my god! I almost was like, what the fuck is that? If it's not Yvonne's, what is that? Woo! My nerves, child! Oh my god.
Are you a werewolf?
I was scared. Okay, so we got to test around. We understand the layouts of the land. Okay, can I have that card? Well, basically, we roll this dice, and whatever it lands on, we go to this card, and we wait.
Go
Right?
to this.
We go to this card, and then we go to the number, and based on what it lands on, that's for this card. We pick a city in your head. Oh, you pick a city or whatever, but you say the city out loud though.
No, you gotta say something.
Oh, you gotta say something about it. So you have to pick a city and you start saying things about this said city, or sometimes it's an artist, we don't know. But you say things about this said city that makes it seem like you know what you're talking about. So that could look like this card that you actually have the dice and you know which thing to go to and what city to go to, or you can have this card which means that you don't know what to pick, but you just pick anyway and act like you know what you're talking about until everyone decides, girl, you don't know what you're talking about, and you are the chameleon. Okay. There we go. That's how you play. Let's do it. Okay, go ahead, Monica. She's reshuffling the cards. It's so much fun. Now I can see why they think I'll be great at it. I'm gonna take, hold on guys, I'll be right back. I need more wine. White this time.
Ring.
All right. I'm ready. Okay.
Let it rip.
Who goes first? How do you know? Okay.
Let me go. How do you say it?
I have to put this together.
Is
who wants to do that?
Like
not I.
Not in an American country, not like in the North area.
You just said what she said. Damn, no, I don't want to give it away. I don't want to give it away. What you call it? No, every example that I would give it all the way away. Is it best in this area? A praying statue, like a large praying statue. Do you really know what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They have a big statue of Buddha in their
Yeah.
state or country. I forgot.
But you're saying the praying thing that I just said. Say something else about it. I'm the chameleon again. I think I will be good at this game. I need to stop being the chameleon though. Did you make me the chameleon on purpose? No? Okay. I'm just like, because I pulled it off well. Okay. We're playing another round.
Yeah, of course he's fake.
Rude! I'm actually too real for a lot of people.
Sure.
Like, way too real for a lot of people. I'm not everyone's cup of tea. What she's trying to say is I'm good at schmoozing. Fake it till you make it. Okay? Very good at that. Faking it till you make it. Okay? I know how to schmooze. That should be a skill for everyone. Take notes. Guys, I'm going to continue to play this game.
Guys, let's go.
And I shall come to you guys later or tell you the results. So, bye. Morning, guys. Oh my god, yesterday was so much fun at Monica's house. She always got the games. Come through games. So pretty out. I don't know. I'm supposed to be going to the beach today with Sarah, but I don't know if today is a beach kind of day. Hello. There we go. Welcome back to another Beach Chronicles. Guys, I keep telling you, prepare to be sick of me. Like, I'm gonna be on the beach all day and I'm with the same person. Actually, more people. I'm with Friendship, Sarah, and today we also have Zoe. Zoe is on the beach. She is beach bumming it out. Zoe, say hi.
Hello.
But yeah, they're both over there doing their thing. This time Sarah has on a really nice bathing suit. It's green with gold buttons going down the middle. It's super cute. Looks very good on you. It's new. Yeah. Oh, it is new. I knew I'd never seen that before. It looks good. And she has on a nice white hat. We love a good hat moment. Yes, same combo as last week, guys. I'm wearing the same exact combo. I will not get sick of this hat. So I just have to get in more colors. But I'm really liking this color. Like, I have different color hats, but this color, my color, it's my jam. But different bathing suit, a little bit action right on the side. We like it. It's a one piece. I feel more secure in a one piece. Okay, I'm not there yet, guys. I'm not there yet. I'm getting there though. But yeah, another beach day. I'm gonna spin you guys around. It's so pretty. We love it. But yeah, we out here. We outside. And oof, the hair. Oh my god. Hold on. I think I'm actually getting in the water this time because like in the water because it's actually pretty cold. I mean hot. The fuck? Hot. There we go. So yeah. Friendship picked out the flavor of our drinks today, and it's delicious. What is the name of it again? Is it the brand? Yeah. It's On the Rocks, and it's a jalapeno pineapple margarita. We love that. We love a good marg. Friendship's reading a book. It's a murder mystery. You are. You're playing Clue with a book. But yeah, it's pretty beautiful out here. I'm probably not going to do as much talking as I did before, but this will just be a little piece in it. So yeah. Enjoy, guys. Zoe, you're burying Sarah? She's gonna wake up and she's gonna be buried in sand.